Cheers and Razzles, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be making this fabulous Suncatcher dragon. Hence why I thought I'd dress as Spyro the Dragon from that game, Spyro the Dragon of course. Classic game, but yeah, so I thought I'd dress as him as well. I think it's really cool hoodie. It's really cute. I don't know what you guys are up for Bonfire night and all that jazz, but I thought I'd give this a go and give them a bit of paint. You've got the orange, green and yellow. So I'm not sure what colours I'm going to be doing in yet, but I thought it'd be a cool idea to try out because it's still sunny this time of year as well out there at the moment. If I can open it, that is. So this is from Hobbycraft again. As you've seen with my many other videos of my Hobbycraft stuff, I am a Hobbycraft fan. So it comes with the dragon, and then of course it's got instructions, but it's quite obvious you just use the colours to colour in the dragon. Right, so I've got him out of the pack. That's what he looks like. It's quite a cute little dragon. Looks like kind of a cartoon dragon, and it looks like it could be your friend more than hurt you and set you on fire. So yeah, that's this little guy. So like I said, I've got yellow, green and orange. I think I'm going to do him the classic green probably, and then maybe his belly orange. So you just scoop it out and put it onto the area you want it to go onto. This is quite a nice one because it's quite a big area to actually paint onto. It comes with a little spatula thing. So you paint all the bits like that. So it's a bit greenish now. I do like to put it on quite thickly just due to then I feel it keeps the colour because sometimes it loses it a bit. It's quite a cute little face, isn't it? Orange little wing, and then I'm going to do his, I think I'm going to do his horns yellow and maybe his teeth. Might do his front bit orange as well, I think. I'll do that now. Yeah, I'm just filling in the last bits, the bits see-through. Before it dries, because then you're not able to fill in the gaps again. I think he's quite cute. I think I'm going to call him Flame. Friendly Flame. So there she is, or he is. I think he looks fabulous. So I'm going to call him or her Flame, I think. I think it's relevant to being a dragon and all that kind of stuff. So if you guys want to give it a go, like I said, it's from Hobbycraft and it's quite cool like make to do around this time of year. Like bonfire. That was really calm. A bonfire night. And if you're doing anything for bonfire night, do let me know if you're going to see fireworks. If there's any other crafty things you're doing, do put in the comment box below and let me know. It'd be fab to see if there's any videos that you're doing crafty things in. Do put a link because that's always brilliant to see what you're up to also. And keep safe as well in fireworks and wrap up nice and warm, and see you guys later.